We're in Kanangra-Boyd National Park in the bottom of the New South Wales Blue Mountains, and we're going to this pretty cool waterfall. Yeah, it's down a lot of steps, and we seem to pick the right day for it. The only day this week where we've had some rain. The worst part as a bloke about this is getting the balls in. You alright from here?
That's vapor, it's far too short. I'll waste it all on your love. I want to live.
That's pretty cool, eh? We've just got out of the little waterfall pool here, and it was pretty cold. We're about 1,300 meters up in this mountain range, so that's actually higher than Snowdon and almost as high as Nevis. And yeah, so the water's pretty chilly up there. It's also raining, so there's no typical Aussie sun kind of beating down on our backs keeping us warm.